Hello, I'm Adam, and we are still in action cam topic because, another reason that I think that DJI outperforms GoPro is like we've got DJI mic, and what's special about that? I can connect it to the camera. Currently, I'm using the Boya microphones, wireless, and it's connected to my phone, and I think those are good. For the price, those are great. But there is one downside with Boya. If you connect the USB receiver to your PC, you will be very quiet, and you might saw some of my videos where I was showing something on my PC and it was extremely quiet. That was because I connected the microphone to the PC. And normally when I was recording separately audio on phone and video on PC. And I want to change that. And there we go, DJI Mic Mini. And it's a set which includes very nice case and two microphones and the receiver for your mobile, etc. Instructions, stickers, okay. And of course you can connect those using Bluetooth, but the quality is very poor, so that's why I recommend. My gosh, very nice bag, and it's pretty nice quality. Bluetooth only quality is bad, so the recommendation is to use adapter. And we've got some wind add-on. We've got cable, USB-C. What? I need to open that to see that. Oh, DJI logo. Okay. Like aux cable, USB to USB-C. This is for connecting to your camera, I think, like DSLR, and the case itself. Okay, and wow, I mean, this bag is great. Like, wow. I'm impressed. And how is the main thing? How does it look? It's okay. Quality is like slightly worse than like Samsung headphones. Size of the case is like bigger than camera, but lighter. And what we've got there, press to unlock. Okay. And there we've got, and opened LEDs are blinking. Okay. Those are tiny. Wow, but you got nice feeling like again. Yeah, there is a magnet. Okay, you feel that it's premium quality. And there is a magnet. And there is a clip. And the microphone is like my nail, comparing to Boya. And okay, I see the quality, yeah? And what we've got, USB-C. Okay, I got that. You got this receiver, and you can connect it somehow there. Wow. Maybe like this? Yeah, like this. And it's connected. Okay, I was afraid that this is too big and it may damage USB-C port or something, but no, it's pretty small. Comparing to Boya, it's same width and yeah, maybe like two Boyas there, 1.5, and yeah, it's there, and we can see USB for mobile phone, and I think yeah, it's shaped that it will fit the case. And there another for connecting. I'm curious it will pass through quick charge instead of standard. And there is a mic, sync button, and what's great that we've got there manual gain knob, which is very precise. But overall this thing feels this feels cheap because it's light, but it has to be light because you connect it to your phone and you don't want to rip off your USB port. Yeah, so that's of course 100% understandable. Yeah, but the case makes what's there on off. Okay, so there is some instruction that it's very hard to read. For you, it's not hard to read. Okay. And yeah, let's try and let's see how it will connect. Oh my gosh, it's hard. Okay, that's how. Let's turn it off. Oh, I have a question. Yes. So if you are using USB, you can have USB and you don't need to pull the USB and every time you will need it. So that's great. They think about that. Yeah, the outside is like slightly worse than than I would expect. But anyway, how I could add a mic there? Wow, it moved. Magic. Okay. Yeah, so there is a sync button. I will just hold it and we'll see what will happen. Okay, we've got it like it's detecting and not there. Of course, I have totally no idea. Microphone. Okay. Really? I have to open the application and it said that I need to open application to pair it, but yeah, oh my gosh, even now. Okay, that's great. Okay, so I will take some foam. What we've got there? Oh my gosh, fluffy. This is sound sample using DJI Mic Mini, and I must say I love this magnet mounting. Unfortunately, the receiver is big, but fortunately it doesn't affect anything, maybe yet. And now I'm using Boya microphone, and one thing that really differs is that you have to turn on the Boya mic before using it, while DJI Mic Mini, it's enough just to take out of the case. And now this is sample of voice when the DJI Mic Mini receiver has gain knob set to -6, and yeah, that's how it hears like. And yeah, I set it because maybe the ambient light maybe the ambient sound will be less hearable, so you will get my voice clearly and very nice, because I must say that this mic is pretty loud. I mean, it's recording very loudly, so maybe -6 option might be best option to use for like every day.
Okay, thanks for watching, please leave a comment and hit the subscribe button, bye!